Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So a long time back I had posted a video on aloe vera gel, and a lot of people have been asking me, what are the other gelling ingredients that we can use if at all we don't want to use aloe vera, if we don't want to use carbapole. Is there any other way of making a gel? So today's video is all about that. I am going to be making a rose gel, a rose and honey gel. It's absolutely lightweight on the skin, very refreshing, very nourishing, but we are not going to be using carbapole as our gelling agent. This is Sepimax Zen, what I have gone ahead and used as my gelling agent. There are many other gelling agents out there in the market which you all can give it a little trial and testing and see how it works. Sepimax Zen is something which I have really liked. When I make my gels, it gives a very nice stiff gel. And this is how it looks after I have gone ahead and hydrated it in the water. I have kept it for about half an hour, and this is how the gel looks. Now there are small pieces here, if you can see, but they are all well dissolved because they are not white, they are all very transparent. And as we just go ahead and mix this gel, you will see that it all becomes very uniform, the entire mixture, and you get a very nice even gel consistency. So this is how the thickness of the gel is. It takes a lot of time for the gel to get hydrated in the water. So that is the reason why I have already hydrated it. Okay, so I have gone ahead and mixed this, given it a good mix. So most of the pieces here that you all could see has already got well dissolved. And as I was just telling you all, that since it takes a very long time for the gelling to happen, I had already kept it soaked in the water for about half an hour, and then we have this gel consistency. So now quickly we'll go ahead and we'll add our extracts to this. So for this I am going to add my rose extract and my honey extract. So I have added my rose extract, and then I will go ahead and add my honey extract. So again, honey is very, very nourishing and conditioning for the skin. Rose is again very good if you have a very sensitive skin. It is very hydrating and moisturizing for your skin. You can also use this as a massage gel, which you can just apply on your skin for people who don't like the scrub effect. When you scrub your skin, they find it too uncomfortable on their skin. Massaging your skin with a gel is much more easier, softer, especially for people who have redness and sensitivity on their skin. So accordingly you can interchange your extracts, and you can add extracts depending on what skin type you have. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my preservative to this. For this gel also I'm going to go ahead and add Optofin Plus as my preservative, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix. So if you can see, after adding all the liquid ingredients here, we've got a very, very nice gel consistency. It has a little different consistency to carbapole that we use, but this is also a very, very nice gel consistency and absolutely lightweight on the skin. So now, since this is a rose and honey gel, I'm going to add a very small amount of pink color to this, a very, very tiny bit, just to give it a light pink shade. Okay, so this is how the color looks. Now again, color depends on your choice. Whichever color you want to add to your gel, you can go ahead and add that. Since this is a rose gel, I have added a light pink color, and this is how we have a very, very nice and a lovely gel which gets absorbed in the skin very nicely. So as you apply this, you will see you have an absolutely non-greasy, non-sticky effect on your skin after applying this gel. So friends, if you like my videos, if you like what I share with you all want me to come up with different new variations in skincare, please do like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone.